Every year on Everyday Gourmet, I love to show you a brand new cocktail. And this one's a bit of a jazzy special. It's a combination of lychees and passion fruit, and it's all entwined into a margarita. It is so delicious. Now for my margarita, I'm adding a sugar syrup, and not any sugar syrup, a lychee sugar syrup. So we'll start with these lychees, and I've defrosted them. So we're going to add about a spoonful into a small pot, just like this one. Let's go 2. And this is fantastic to have on standby in case lychees aren't in season. I'll also use the lovely juice that's in the pack, okay? So into this, we need to accentuate the sweetness, so some sugar. Just give that a swirl, and we're gonna turn the heat on. Now we're going to allow that to bubble away and just keep stirring it until the sugar dissolves and it comes to the boil. That's all you need. You want to then turn it off and cool it down and then strain it. And this is what you get, a gorgeous little sugar syrup. Now this will last in the fridge a good couple of months, if it lasts a couple of months. So on to our margarita. Into a shaker, we're going to add some passion fruit. So this is the passion fruit component to it. I'm going to add about 1 generous spoonful. A splash of the lychee syrup, and it really depends on how sweet you like it. I just want a small amount. And because it is so concentrated, you're really gonna taste that lychee. Okay, we need some acidity in this, so good old limes. I'll cut that in half. And I'm just going to use a juicer because it makes it much easier to squeeze in. So I like mine to have a real zing to it, so 1 whole lime. And some tequila. And a splash of Cointreau. And we want to serve this super chilled, so we'll just top this up with some ice cubes. Okay. Now the lid can go on, and just make sure it's on quite tightly. Nothing worse than shaking this and the lid comes off. See, as soon as you start hearing that shake, you know the party's about to start. Okay, that's ready. We'll let that sit for a moment while we prepare our glasses. So just on a plate, we're going to add some salt, and you need quite a lot of salt just so we can cover the entire rim. Also some more lime. Just cut a little wedge. And look at these cool glasses. I actually picked these up from a second-hand store. They've got so many fun things there, and these were just too good to leave. And it's not a traditional margarita glass, but I kind of like them. I think it looks very retro. So just around the rim with the lime, and then we're going to place these glasses straight into the salt and just give it a twirl. And that's how you get that perfect rim of flaky salt. We'll do the second one. And now to serve our cocktail, we're just going to pour this gorgeous margarita mixture in. And this is enough for 4, so we'll put that aside. And I think I should have a taste, look at that. Passion fruit, lychee, margarita. Enjoy. Ooh, that's good. Cheers.